What is up, guys? It's Take here, bringing you a FIFA 15 pack opening, and I hope you guys are having a good Christmas. Wow, hopefully you have a good Christmas, and hopefully you get what you want. So yeah, and I'm gonna do one on pack open on Christmas Day because I think they do special packs. There is special packs at the moment, but if I do them, it'll be like 2 packs, and then I won't be able to do any more, so I won't have enough really. But yeah, I won't. Yeah, let's just do 7.5. Let's get right into it. Bang. Oh, hello, who's that? Oh, that guy. Does he go? Ooh, he doesn't go for. He's not too bad. Let's put him up for 900. That's that rat. Daniel player. The next pack. Bang, bang. Andy Carroll, really? He just had an inform card. Oh, free gold pack. Hello, cheeky. Rubbing that at the end. Next pack. Bang. Oh, Mandanda, not too bad. What's that? Colombian hoe. That's a really nice kit. Keep that. And let's watch it. That's what. Wilfred Boney might be going to Arsenal, maybe. Good player he is. But yeah. I really want to get in form. I'll show you my team right properly, but yeah, bang. Oh my god, no way, we got the Lord. Jesus Christ. Come on, and bang. Oh, Denver Bar, not too bad. And bang, bang. Oh, Noah, he's pretty easy. I got rid of loads of my players in my club, and I got like 120k because I want to get, because I've got Chiellini, but I want the inform. He's like 140, which is annoying, so I'm gonna try and get him. But yeah. Oh. Bang. Oh, hello. Oh, and go. Ronaldinho. Gomes. Oh, you don't know. Bang. Holy crap, that's pretty decent. Oh, imagine like a silver inform. Silver pack. Second to last pack. And bang. Oh. Ooh. Oh my god, how much is he worth? With absolutely nothing, but still. You got 5-star skill, move. I'm gonna guess 500 points. Of course. Well, I'm gonna keep these standing up. Oh no, keep. Right, let's open the gold pack then. Right. Alright, I'll quickly show you my team though. There we go. Yeah, that's my team. Pretty decent. Well, no, very decent. They look a lot nicer without inform Chiellini there, but Oh wow, a really good team. The first game I played with, I won 7-3, which is too damn low. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.